So we're going to do another one of these relationship guys. So we're going to graph a linear relationship. So again, we got a hint there though. We know it's going to be linear. And we know that to be linear we have to have this two variable concept. And right now we typically use x and y as our two variable. So again, we're going to write an equation that describes the following relationship between x and y. And then we're going to graph that relationship. So here's our little relationship. The difference between twice x and y is 6. We pick up on the difference kind of means subtraction. So if I said find the difference between 6 and 4, we kind of pick up on the difference between 6 and 4 would be 2. So in other words, we just write that as 6 minus 4. So unlike that one before, that 7 less than or that 5 less than we had, you had to watch out on order there. But when it just says find difference, that order just stays like it is. So the difference between twice x and y, all I got to figure out what twice x means. Well, twice kind of means to write it down twice, or in other words, multiply it by 2. So twice kind of means to double it. So twice means 2x, or that also means x plus x. But remember, repeated addition, we prefer to use multiplication. So we write that as twice x. And y, so that means plus a y, is kind of symbolizes an equal to 6. Actually, back up on that, yeah. We said difference, didn't we? The difference between twice x and y, so that tells me to actually subtract those. So the difference is 2x minus y, and that, of course, is going to equal 6. So I have this equation that looks like this. Now, since x and y are the same side, I find it easier to just go ahead and use the x and y intercepts. So remember to find the x intercept, we set y equal to 0. So we have 2x minus 0 is equal to 6. And that just falls out of the problem. So we have 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x would equal then 3. 2 times 3 would be 6. If I want to find the y-intercept, we're going to set x equal to 0. Again, setting x equal to 0 essentially means this is going to fall out of the problem. So what I have then is negative y is equal to 6. And then I need to make that a positive, so if I change that sign to make it a positive, the other side's got to change to a negative. So remember, with equation thinking, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So if I change the sign on the left side, I also got to change the sign on the right side. So that becomes a positive, and that becomes then a negative. And therefore, we have y equals 6. I'm sorry, y equals a negative 6. And you can kind of check that out, because the opposite of a negative 6 does indeed give me a 6. So it does check out. So we have 3, 0 as our x-intercept, and then 0, negative 6 is my y-intercept. So we want to graph those 2 points, plot those 2 points. So 3, 0 would be over here, and 0, negative 6 would be down here. And then we want to draw the line. That would be our graph. So we line up these 2 points, and that is going to be our solution. Put those arrows on the ends, and that's what we're looking for, is something like that. So that's a different little slant, but that's what you're going to have to do with some of this math, is you're going to have to apply it a little bit. So stay tuned for some more. I know you're looking forward to it.